Today, we are going to discuss one of humanity's greatest adventures, the journey to Mars. Get ready for an epic exploration as we uncover the mysteries of the Red Planet and the incredible technology making it possible. Today, we are going to discuss one of humanity's greatest adventures, the journey to Mars. Get ready for an epic exploration as we uncover the mysteries of the Red Planet and the incredible technology making it possible. The universe beckons, a vast and mysterious expanse filled with wonders beyond our current comprehension. It calls to us, whispering promises of discovery and adventure. For millennia, we've gazed at the night sky, our ancestors marveling at the celestial dance above, dreaming of distant worlds, imagining life beyond our own, and pondering our place in the cosmos. Among those stars, Mars, named for the god of war, a rusty beacon in the inky blackness, has always stood out, capturing our imagination and fueling our desire to explore. Once a place of myth, a canvas for our wildest speculations, Mars is now within our reach, a tangible goal within our grasp. The time for dreaming is over. The blueprints are drawn, the engines are tested, the time for going is here. The moment to translate our dreams into reality has arrived. We stand at the threshold of a new era for humanity, a pivotal moment that will redefine our future. Imagine Starship, a colossal feat of engineering, a gleaming vessel, taller than a skyscraper, a testament to human ambition and technological prowess. Built to bridge Earth and Mars, a lifeline connecting two worlds, expanding our horizons beyond the confines of our home planet. It's not just a rocket, it's a symbol of hope. It's a symbol of our ambition, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unwavering belief in the power of human potential. To become a multi-planetary species, securing our future among the stars and ensuring the survival of humanity. Starship is the result of relentless human ingenuity, countless hours of dedication, and the unwavering pursuit of a seemingly impossible dream, a testament to our will to explore, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to venture into the unknown with courage and determination. The journey it promises, a voyage of discovery and transformation, is one of the boldest ever attempted, a testament to our unwavering spirit of adventure. Why do we go? What compels us to reach for the stars? Because curiosity drives us, the insatiable desire to learn, to understand, and to unravel the mysteries of the universe. And the unknown calls, beckoning us to explore uncharted territories and to expand the horizons of human knowledge. The same spirit that sent our ancestors across oceans, driven by the promise of new lands and new opportunities, now propels us across the void, fueled by the dream of a future among the stars. This mission is more than technology. It's more than just a scientific endeavor. It's the next chapter in humanity's story, a bold new beginning that will shape our destiny for generations to come. The crew who board Starship, the brave pioneers who will venture into the unknown, carry our hopes and dreams, embodying the spirit of exploration and the unwavering belief in a brighter future. Their journey is our journey, their courage, our inspiration, their steps on Mars, a leap for all of us, a giant stride towards a future where humanity thrives among the stars. As we look inside their ship, at the intricate network of systems and the compact living spaces, we see not just metal, wires, and advanced technology, but the embodiment of human ingenuity and the unwavering pursuit of a dream. But the vessel of our future, a symbol of hope and a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. Step through the hatch and enter the heart of Starship. The main crew deck is spacious, bright, and designed for life in zero gravity. Here, astronauts will command, experiment, and live together. Large windows offer views from Earth's blue to the black of deep space. The galley is the social hub where meals and conversation keep spirits high. Each astronaut has a private sleeping pod, a small sanctuary for rest and reflection. Science and health are priorities, workstations for experiments, exercise equipment to keep bodies strong. Every day the crew will work, eat, and exercise together, forging a microcosm of human society. Starship is more than a vessel. It's a world engineered for survival and purpose. This is where humanity will journey, dream, and endure on the way to Mars. In the vast expanse of space where there is no air to breathe and no water to drink, survival depends entirely on technology. Human existence becomes inextricably linked to the intricate systems we create. Starship's life support system is more than just equipment. It's a miniature, self-sustaining Earth, meticulously designed to mimic our planet's natural processes. It works by ingeniously recycling air and water in a closed loop, ensuring that every resource is utilized to its fullest potential. Nothing is lost, everything is transformed and reused. Carbon dioxide, a waste product exhaled by the crew, is not simply discarded. Instead, it is captured and converted through a complex chemical process. This remarkable transformation, achieved through chemistry, turns the carbon dioxide into essential water and breathable oxygen, the very elements needed to sustain life. Every single drop of water, from condensation to sanitation, is carefully reclaimed, rigorously purified, and then reused, closing the loop and minimizing waste. This intricate and efficient system is what makes the seemingly impossible journey to Mars not just a dream, but a tangible possibility. Advanced monitoring systems constantly analyze and adjust the environment, ensuring the air is always breathable, the water always safe to drink, and the conditions are optimal for human health. Beyond the immediate needs of air and water, radiation is a constant and invisible threat in the unforgiving vacuum of space. To combat this, water tanks are strategically built into the spacecraft walls, acting as a natural and effective shield, protecting the crew from harmful cosmic rays. The very resources that sustain life in a remarkable twist also serve to protect it from the dangers of the cosmos. Starship's complex systems function as silent guardians, tirelessly working to make the otherwise uninhabitable void of space survivable for human beings. Every breath taken, every sip of water consumed is not just a simple act of living, but a testament to the triumph of human engineering and ingenuity. In this meticulously crafted closed world, where resources are precious and limited, absolutely nothing is wasted. The extraordinary journey to Mars is only possible because we have the ability to bring a carefully curated piece of Earth with us, ensuring our survival in the alien landscape. The voyage to Mars is a marathon. 6 to 9 months in a world of steel and stars, astronauts follow a strict routine: work, exercise, rest. Training prepares them for every challenge: technical, medical, psychological. Days begin with simulated sunrises, briefings, and experiments. Exercise is essential, keeping bodies strong for Mars gravity. Evenings bring shared meals and moments of connection, a lifeline to home. Through the window, Earth shrinks to a distant star, and the crew faces the vastness together. Life aboard Starship is a testament to human adaptability and spirit. After months in the void, Mars grows from a point of light to a world. The final descent is tense, the most dangerous phase. Starship orients for entry, using its heat shield and body flaps to break in the thin Martian air. Inside, the crew is strapped in, eyes on their displays. The ship shudders, gliding through the atmosphere in a daring maneuver. Engines roar, flipping Starship upright for the landing burn. Onboard computers adjust thrust, fighting Martian gravity. The ground rushes up. Dust swirls as landing legs deploy. With a final burst, Starship settles onto the red soil. Silence falls. The engines cut out. A message flashes. Touchdown confirmed. The crew gazes out at their new home. Inside Starship, anticipation is electric. The crew prepares, running checks and donning spacesuits. Billions watch as history unfolds. 2 astronauts enter the airlock, then descend to the Martian surface. One steps down, pressing a boot into the ancient soil. This is a new beginning. Humanity's first steps on Mars. They plant a flag for all of Earth, not just one nation. Their first tasks: collect samples, deploy instruments, document this alien world. Every action is a discovery, every moment a milestone. The first day on Mars has begun. These first footprints, etched into the red dust of Mars, are more than just a symbol. They represent a monumental leap for humankind, a testament to our relentless curiosity and unwavering ambition. The outpost will grow, from a small, isolated habitat to a thriving hub of activity. More ships will arrive, carrying new colonists, vital supplies, and the tools necessary to build a sustainable future. More people will call Mars home, forging a new society in the vast expanse of space. A permanent presence, a testament to our adaptability and resilience, will take root on this alien world. We'll learn to use Martian resources, unlocking the planet's potential and creating a self-sufficient ecosystem. Turning Mars into a second home, a vibrant and thriving world where humanity can flourish. This endeavor will drive innovation, pushing the boundaries of science and technology, and inspiring new generations of explorers and thinkers, changing life on Earth and beyond, sparking a new era of progress and understanding. Seeing Earth from Mars will humble us, offering a new perspective on our place in the cosmos, reminding us to protect our fragile home, the pale blue dot that sustains us all. We reach for the stars because it's in our nature, an intrinsic drive that has propelled us forward since the dawn of time. Becoming multiplanetary secures our future, safeguarding our species against unforeseen threats and ensuring our long-term survival. And expands our spirit, igniting our imagination and inspiring us to reach for ever greater heights. The universe is vast and full of wonder, a boundless realm of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The journey to Mars is about more than survival. It's about expanding our horizons and pushing the limits of what's possible. It's about the human spirit, our innate desire to explore, discover, and create. We will explore the Martian landscape, build new habitats, and discover secrets hidden beneath the red soil. The path will be hard, fraught with challenges and uncertainties. But the call of the cosmos is irresistible, a siren song that beckons us to explore the unknown. Our journey to the stars has just begun, and the possibilities are limitless. We are the means for the universe to know itself, conscious beings capable of understanding and appreciating the wonders of creation. The next chapter of humanity is unfolding, a story of courage, innovation, and the enduring power of the human spirit. On Mars and beyond, we will write a new chapter in the history of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this journey to Mars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Join us for more incredible adventures beyond our world.